Hey, hi everyone. Today we'll see how to do predictive analysis by creating machine learning model in Power BI. For that first, we have to create a data flow with a training data set. Make sure that you have the necessary data for your machine learning model. This could include historical data, target variables, and any additional features or variables that you want to include in your model. To create a data flow, go to Workspace, click on New, select Data Flow. To add the data set to your data flow, click on Add New Tables. There are various sources from which you can choose the dataset. My dataset is in local folder, so I'll choose folder. Here, I'll enter the path and click on next. In this folder, I have two datasets. One is to train the model and other one is to do predictive analysis with the help of a model created. I'll show you the dataset. The training dataset has information about candidates who has applied for jobs with their details and has an output column whether they'll get the call for interview or not based on the target variables. 1 denotes he'll get a call, 0 denotes he'll not get a call. Now click on transform data. Set your training data. Within the data flow, use Power Query Editor to transform and clean your data. This could involve removing duplicates, handling missing values, normalizing data, and creating new calculated columns or measures. Here, our training data is loaded. Now, click on Save and Close. Give a name to your data flow. I'll give my data flow. Save. After preparing your dataset to create machine learning model, click on Apply ML Model under Actions, Add a Machine Learning Model. Choose the output column. Our output column was call for interview. Click on Next. Power BI supports different machine learning algorithms such as regression, classification, and clustering. Select the appropriate algorithm based on your problem and goals. For the current scenario, we'll choose binary classification because we want to predict whether candidate will be selected or not. Under target outcome, we'll enter 1. If it's 1, the candidate is selected. If not 1, then not selected. Click on next. Here, select all the variables or features to create and train your machine learning model. So these are all the variables and features. Click on next. Give model name here. I'll say screening. Choose the time here. The longer you train your model, the more accurate the results are. For now, I'll train for some 6 minutes. Click on save and train. Once the model is trained, you can see the last train time here. To view the training report, click here. This report summarizes the model performance and training details and enables you to find an optimal threshold for defining your business outcome. Here you can see the model performance, precision, recall, threshold, true positive and true negatives. Here you can see model quality over iterations with different algorithms. If you want to retrain the model, click on retrain model under actions. To apply this model on actual dataset, click on apply ML model. Choose your dataset, click on save and apply. As soon as you click on save and apply, these two tables are created. To see the predictive values, go to Power BI desktop, click on get data, select data flows, select the workspace. Under the data flow, this is the table which has our predicted output column. Click on transform data. Scroll to the right. Here you can see the predicted output column with the prediction score. There are two outcomes, true or false, and there is a prediction score for each row. By loading this dataset into Power BI, you can further do analysis on this dataset by creating visuals. This is how you can do predictive analysis in Power BI. Thanks for watching.